Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Core. In today's tutorial, I'll try to compare the display comparison between the Realme Narzo 30 Pro versus the Realme X smartphone. As you can see friends, so this is a Realme X device and here I'll be comparing with the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. And right now I'm using the phone which is a Realme Q2 exact same replica of the Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So a lot of users they did ask me to do this kind of comparisons and a lot of testings on this particular Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So let's see friends, in the upcoming days I'll try to post more and more videos on this phone. So before the launch date itself, you'll get to know complete details about this phone regarding the battery, display, camera, haptic feedback, loudspeaker, notification light, all those things I'll try to cover in this particular variant. So just in case if you're thinking of buying this phone, make sure to comment below friends what are your tests you want me to do. So right now only I started to upload so many videos on this Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. As you can see, just now I did the display comparison as well, display test. So I'll try to do the display comparison, Antutu benchmark comparison, and a lot of comparison with other smartphones in the upcoming days. So here I selected the Realme X smartphone and with the compare with the Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So the reason why I selected the Realme X device, so you might be wondering, it's a 2 years old mobile phone, so no one will be buying the Realme X, but I still want to compare with the AMOLED panel versus the IPS LCD panel which is used in this Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So which has the 120 Hz touch 120 Hz refresh rate and the IPS LCD panel display and 6.5 inches. So 6.5 inches versus the 6.55 inches on this Realme X smartphone. So this is a Realme X which has AMOLED panel and 60 Hz only. The refresh rate is only 60 Hz in this phone, but it has got the very good AMOLED panels. So let's see friends, in this kind of comparison, which display will be the looking the best and how much difference you can actually observe in terms of the colors and saturation levels. So before starting the video as well, let me try to quickly show you the display properties so you know exactly what settings I am using during this kind of test. So there is one option friends where you can change the screen color and temperature. So right now I'll be selecting the default settings in both the phones, as you can see, default, and I'll leave this option on in both the phones. So now let me try to quickly open the MX player and start playing the video so we can compare side by side the videos and we can talk more in detail about the videos of both the phones. So as you can see friends, right now I'm playing the same video in both the smartphones. So if you take a look at the phone screen size, both are kind of close to each other only, but the one thing is that the Realme X has full screen display, so which is kind of very good advantage. So without having any kind of punch hole cameras on the top, so which is a full screen which has a pop-up mechanism as well. So overall in terms of the display, the brightness, so first let's talk about the brightness. So then let's move about the saturation and contrast levels. So next I'll try to cover the low brightness as well. So first with the high brightness, so both phones are at high and maximum brightness levels and they are doing very good job in terms of the colors and everything. All the viewing angles you can see from the different angles, both the phones. So no issues friends in terms of the colors and viewing angles and nothing at all. And the brightness, if you want to talk, you can see this kind of area where you can see in the Realme X, but it's not that clear in this Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. So where the Realme X has got slightly higher brightness, which is what I did observe right now. So this is a particular video which I'll be using in most of my display comparison videos. So where you will be testing this kind of things, high and low colors and the sky, mainly the sky. I'll be keeping an eye on the color of the sky. If you notice on the Realme X, it's kind of close to blue color, but in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, it's not like that. So we did expect this kind of things to happen in the IPS LCD panels most of the time. So AMOLED panels will be kind of very good in terms of the colors. So there are two different kind of users mainly who likes to have the AMOLED plus 60 Hz display and IPS LCD plus 120 Hz refresh rate. So there will be two users. But mostly two phones are doing very good job, but I do prefer the Realme X displays because of having the full screen without any disturbances, punch holes, and very good saturation and contrast levels. As you can see friends, the brightness is slightly higher on the Realme X side, which if you notice. So now let me try to decrease the brightness to 10 in both the phones. So now the brightness is kind of 10. In this kind of brightness 10, if you observe, the Realme Narzo has got slightly better brightness. So now let me try to decrease the brightness to 0. In very low brightness mode, both phones are doing really good job in terms of keeping the brightness very low, so which will be really advantage when you're traveling, and if you don't want to disturb any co-passengers, or maybe at the night time if you're watching any movies. So if you want to, or if you don't want to disturb anyone, so that will be the good advantage as well. But overall friends, in terms of the display, it's good, and 120 Hz having is another good option in this phone. But the Realme, they should come with upcoming versions of the AMOLED panels coming, maybe adding the 90 Hz refresh rate with the AMOLED phones. So maybe in the future they should think about it. So we cannot keep on doing this 60 Hz display even till now in the 2021. So let's see friends, because we did get the 90 Hz refresh rate back in 2 years and 3 years ago. So 2 years ago, maybe in the mid-range segment, and 1 year back in the close to mid-range segments and below, we are seeing 90 Hz as well. So now in the 2021, we should not see any phone with the 60 Hz. We should see only the phones with the 90 Hz. So that is my opinion, friends, on the higher refresh rate. And that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between the both the phones. And overall, do let me in the comments below which phone you felt the best. But overall, both phones kind of close to each other, but slightly advantage in the Realme X device in terms of higher saturation and the contrast level. That is what the final conclusion is, friends. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye.